list, tuple, set, dictionary are the special data types of Python to store data collection. In the last few sessions, we studied list and now we will move to tuples. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session. And in this session, we will study tuples. Before you watch this session, I have a small request. Make sure you have viewed all the session of list and also ensure that you have practiced all the example of list. A lot of concept in tuple, set, dictionary require detailed knowledge of list. So let's start with tuples. Tuple is a collection of data, that is number, string or object, and its order and immutable. Forget about the definition. We will understand that soon. So tuple is a collection of data just like list, but it has some significant differences. First is we can't change the values of tuple during runtime, that is it's immutable. And second is tuple uses parenthesis or round bracket like this. So let's declare a tuple. Write days as a variable name. Then in round bracket write Sunday, Monday till end, separated by commas like this. Always remember, tuple should be in round brackets and they should have some value because you can't add values during runtime. It's immutable. You can't modify the values in tuples. Now print the variable days. Let's run the code. Here is our output. Now we will print these values of tuple using a for loop. Again declare a tuple days with respective values. Then write a for loop with d as placeholder and then in a keyword and then tuple variable name followed by colon. Inside the indent of for loop, print the placeholder d. Run the code. Well, you got the correct output. All the values of tuple printed one by one. Just like list, there is one more way of accessing tuples, that is using index. I hope you remember we had accessed the list using index. Just declare a variable days again and in the following line write a print statement and inside print write days and in square bracket write the index 0. Run the code. See, you got Sunday as output because the indexing in tuple starts from 0 just like list. Let's access all the elements of tuple using index. Write a for loop with counter as I and max range till 7. Inside the indent of for loop write print, then tuple variable name days and in square bracket our counter I. Run the code. Well, you got all days printed. When the loop start, the value of I is 0. Hence, the first value of tuple is printed. Similarly, it goes for 1, 2, 3 till 6. But in this loop, there is one small problem. In the max range, we have mentioned 7 because we know the days variable has 7 values, but it's not a good practice. It's better to make it dynamic. Here, instead of 7, we can write len and in bracket days. Len function returns the length of tuple. Run the code. Well, again, we got the correct output. So, in this session, we studied what is tuple, how to declare it and how to access it using placeholder and index. In the next session, we will study some more and essential feature of tuples. Thanks for watching.